Hey, what's going on? Sean Rico family, the Forex family in the house. Listen, just want to give you a quick update. I know a lot of y'all out there getting trades, trade after trade. You study, you put in the work. And a lot of times you do pretty good to do pretty good, right? Then boom, you get hit with that one bad trade. And you know what that one bad trade does? It discourages you, make you say, man, I really don't know what I'm doing. And then what happens is you begin to change your style up a little bit. Like, man, that was a really bad trade. So let me change this up and do it this way. But if you really know in your heart, like, man, I know I'm doing it right. I know this how it's supposed to be done. I'm looking at my technical analysis. I'm looking at my charts. I'm reading my high lows, higher highs, lower lows, high lows, higher lows. You're reading everything right. Sometimes the market is supposed to go down. Sometimes the market is supposed to go up, but you never know. There's always that one time where that market is going to go up and you're like, man, I was in the sell. Or you're going to go down, you're in a sell, and then it goes up. And you're like, man, what am I doing wrong? When that happens, and you know without a shadow of a doubt that you read your market structure right, you're reading everything right, it's okay to take that loss. Listen, don't change your style if you know in your heart you're reading the charts right. Now, if you know you're not reading the charts right, keep studying, stay in demo mode, and you keep practicing until you get it. But listen, you're not going to win every trade. You're not going to be 100% all the time. But don't change your trading style if you know that you're reading the charts right. Hey, people can get in there, the banks, the investors. We're just retail traders. Listen, those big banks, man, they can make that thing move. And don't forget, a lot of times they'll listen, they know where a lot of people are putting them stop losses. They know everybody's using supply and demand. And then they're like, listen, they're putting their stop loss right here. We're going to drop at least an extra 10 pips below that, and we're going to take everybody's money. Then we're going to go in a direction everybody thought we're going at. It's okay. Get back in there, try again, don't quit. So I just want to leave y'all a little bit of encouragement, man, to let y'all know don't stop. If you know you're reading the charts right, keep going, don't change your style. And listen, it will pay off. This takes time. Forex is no overnight success. It takes a couple years to really understand market structure, and you begin to see the patterns over and over and over and over again. And eventually you get it. The only people I know that really don't do good in force are those that quit early. They quit after 6 months, a year and a half. Man, keep pushing, keep chugging away. I promise you, you'll get it. Don't quit. Till next time, this is Sean Rico with Sean Rico Forest. Make sure you like and subscribe. Look at my links down below. Hey, I got the t-shirt now. See the t-shirt behind me? The full t-shirt actually has some stepping on a bear with my money. But hold on, let me move. You see the money bag? Whichever way I'm pointing. I don't know which way I'm pointing. You know where it's at, the money bag. Just check out the t-shirts down below, support and buy it. Make sure you check out the Cynthia's green tomato system that I use. Man, let's get this money. Until next time, we signing out.